I'm Robert Alexander Hollinger. I work for SocGen, Société Générale, here in Singapore. I'm a Chief Data Officer for Asia Pacific. We are not really at the forefront. We are not doing a lot of frontier topics because our setup in Asia is reasonably small. So this kind of topics will be driven more by our head office in Paris. Okay. Also, as I'm sure you know, banks are a bit on the slower side of adoption. I know in Paris they are working on ChatGPT. We have a big partnership with Microsoft, so we are using Azure as our cloud provider. So we are looking into the cognitive. They are looking into the cognitive services, try to see what we can do with large language model. For us in Asia, is more simple use cases. The kind of things that we're looking at is going to be very traditional. So stuff like how to do better KYC of our customer by using text recognition, machine learning models to go look for information in big kind of documents, which is not very, it's quite traditional. So that's the kind of things that we're working on. That's one of the big initiatives that we're working on at the moment. I think more the stuff at the forefront. So large language models, I think, are really going. It's a bit obvious answer, but it's going to transform everything. And there's a train that's leaving the station, and you better be on it. And this is happening now. And in order to do that, you need to have with open source and this kind of stuff, you will get access. I don't believe you need to train your own models or do this kind of stuff, but you need to plug it to your enterprise data to get the value out of it. And in order to do that, you need to have your data clean, trusted, accessible. That's really, for me, as a CDO, really what I think should be the priority. Really speed up on all these, have your clean data architecture, data lakes, a clean governance around it to make sure that when large language model will become second nature, even in banks, you actually can benefit from it and derive value out of it. Because if you start at this moment, I cannot access any data, or my data is crap, I need to put some governance, it's going to be too late.